WT-DVO006. Name, Davin Sharon. Age, 26 years old. Marital status, married. Education, nursing aid. Experience, 2 years experience as a private domestic helper. Okay, Sharon, tell me something about yourself.
I am Sharon Lorenzo Davin, married, 26 years old,
Location,
Davao City.
and how many hours of travel going to Manila?
It takes 1 hour and 30 minutes by plane.
Okay, tell me something about your family background.
My father is already deceased. We all six, 5 boys, and I am only a girl.
If with children, who will take care of them?
My husband is one who will take care of my daughter.
Okay, tell me something about your DH experience.
On my day's experience, I know how to clean the house, washing clothes, ironing the clothes, watering the plants.
Do you know how to cook Chinese foods?
Yes, like pancit, beef and chicken noodles.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies is singing and cleaning house, gardening, washing clothes, ironing the clothes.
Are you willing to take care of newborn baby?
Yes,
How about elderly?
yes,
Do you know how to do bottle feeding?
yes.
What are the steps of bottle feeding?
The first step, you have to wash the bottle. The second is sterilize it, and the third one is put hot water and mix the milk. Then add warm water and try it to your skin if it is still hot or not. And if it is not, you have to feed the baby.
If the baby is still keep crying, what will you do?
I will carry the baby and dance and check the diaper if it's full.
If the baby has fever, what will you do?
I will call my employer immediately and wait for the instruction.
Do you know how to sing lullaby song?
Yes,
Can you sing it for us?
yes. 1 letter, 2 letter, 3 letter Indian, 4 letter, 5 letter, 6 letter Indian, 7 letter, 8 letter, 9 letter Indian, 10 letter Indian boy.
Do you have any other talents?
Yes, I cleaning house, cooking,
If you feel homesick, what will you do?
to prevent homesick, I make myself busy at work.
If one of your family members will get sick, will you break the contract? What will you do?
I don't break my contract. I will call my relatives and I will send money.
What could you teach the children?
I could teach like color, shape, alphabet, writing, and singing.
How long can you work in Hong Kong and why Hong Kong?
2 years. I choose Hong Kong because Hong Kong has a good employer, nice, and the place is good.
Okay, thank you.